everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 23rd to the 27th of May 2022 on Monday. Sibonelo meets someone who matches his drive. Hleziphi pins unsuspecting victims against each other. Hlobo experiences a victory on Tuesday. Nonka snooping around set off a heartbreaking chain of events. Sibonelo's meeting presents him with a gift to die for. Nkunzi wants to take advantage of his home alone status with Gabi Girl on Wednesday. Nonka is shocked to the core when she sees a video of Kwanda having sex with her best friend. Nosipo opens up about her innermost desire to Pastakwala, and the Hlobos have their first successful tour on Thursday. When Sibonelo doesn't come back home from his outing with the mysterious woman, Gabsile starts to worry that something is amiss on Friday. Nkunzi and Gabsile embark on a mission to find their son. Nomaswazi put herself at a risk by helping Sibonelo. Nosipo has nowhere to hide as the Hlobos demands their money. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.